Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create a Shopify store. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open your browser and search for Shopify. I will leave this link in the description down below. Then click on this link, then click on Start for Free. Then type your email and your password. Then click on Continue with Email. Then type your password. Then click on Login. Then they will ask you to pay $1. For now, let's just click on Skip. Then they will ask you some questions, so let's answer them. These are just some basic questions. Finally, click on Next. Once you are in the main dashboard, to create your online store, click on Online Store. Then, as you can see, there are so many free templates. You can choose any one you want from here. For now, let's just customize our default online store. You can also import any theme you have. So click on Customize. So right here, you can change your navigation. You can change your text. And you can also change the color of your website or store. Once you finish editing your website, click on Save, then click on this icon to exit. Now all you have to do is click on this View Your Store button to preview your online store. So as you can see, we create our online store successfully. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.